Can I really be ready for something this big? The return of Jesus is a topic that's often discussed, but rarely with a sense of urgency. As we go about our daily lives, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle and forget about the bigger picture. But the Bible tells us that Jesus is coming back, and when he does, we need to be ready. Being prepared isn't easy, especially in a world that's full of distractions and temptations. We're constantly bombarded with messages telling us to pursue wealth, status, and power. But the truth is, none of those things will matter when Jesus returns. What's more, it's easy to get complacent, to assume that we're good enough, that we're doing enough. But the Bible warns us that many will be deceived, that many will think they're ready when they're not. So what does it mean to be prepared? It means having a deep, personal relationship with Jesus. It means being aware of our own sin and shortcomings, and seeking forgiveness and guidance. It means being willing to let go of the things that hold us back and pursue a life of faith and obedience. And it means being vigilant, watching for the signs of the times and living with a sense of anticipation. The Bible tells us that Jesus will return like a thief in the night, unexpectedly and suddenly. It tells us that there will be signs and wonders, but that many will be deceived. It tells us that we need to be ready, to be prepared to meet him at any moment. In Matthew 24, Jesus himself tells us to watch and be ready, because we don't know when he'll come. As I think about preparedness, I'm reminded of a story about a man who was caught off guard by a natural disaster. He had always thought he was prepared, but when the disaster struck, he realized he wasn't ready at all. The story hit home for me, because I realized that I'm not always prepared either. We all need to take a hard look at our lives and ask ourselves, am I really ready? The good news is that it's not too late to get ready. We can start by taking small steps, reading scripture, praying, seeking guidance from mentors or spiritual leaders. We can examine our lives and ask God to show us areas where we need to grow. And we can live with a sense of hope and anticipation, knowing that Jesus' return is not just a distant event, but a reality that could happen at any moment. To be ready is to live with a sense of urgency and purpose. It's to recognize that our time on this earth is limited, and that every moment counts. It's to seek a deeper relationship with Jesus and to live a life that honors him. In the end, preparedness is a choice. It's a choice to prioritize our spiritual lives, to seek guidance and wisdom, and to live with a sense of anticipation. As we wrap up this video, I want to leave you with a challenge. Take a hard look at your life and ask yourself, am I ready? If you're feeling a sense of conviction or a desire to grow in your faith, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Consider sharing your thoughts and experiences with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more faith-based content.